Hello everyone. Welcome back to my another video. In this video I am going to show you how to add anything to paper just like this with Photoshop. Don't worry, you don't need to full edit for this. You can add anything for one layer. Then you will get this as result. First you need download PSD file. Find the link from video description. After download the file you can open with Photoshop. Now you will see like this page. Well, open the placeholder layer with double click. This is the layer you should add your edit. Your logo or anything you love to put here. Let me add some picture. Before add a picture to here, we can edit with new layer. After edit the picture or your logo, add it to placeholder layer. Then save it. Jump to main layer and see what happens. You can edit this ever after save. So I think you will like this. Comment me below. Does it worked? Or not? Subscribe me to watch new videos and free PSD. Thank you.